Hello coders, have you ever noticed that when you visit a website, you can easily move from the home page to the about page, services page or contact page. This is possible because websites use navigation menus and links to connect different pages together. In today's project, we are going to build our own multi-page HTML website from scratch. We will create 4 pages: home, about, services and contact. Then we will connect them using a navigation menu so users can easily move between pages just like on real websites. By the end of this video, you will understand how professional websites connect multiple pages and how navigation menus help users explore a website. Before we start coding, let's first create the folder and then files that we will need for our project. So here I created a folder and I give it a name of website and then I press enter. Now I will open this folder in VS Code. I just click open with code and my folder will open in VS Code. Now my folder is opened in VS Code. Now I will just click here to close this sidebar and I will create a new file here in my project folder. I will just click here to insert files in my folder. So I create index.html file first and now I will create another file. For this project I am going to create 4 HTML files. Index.html I already have created and now I create about.html. Now I will create services.html. Each file will represent a different page of our website. We will also add a heading, a paragraph and an image to each page. Now I'm going to create last one file, that is contact.html. Now let's start with our home page. Inside index.html I am going to add a heading, a paragraph and an image. Now I generate a boilerplate here and now I will change the title. Here I will give it a title home and now I will move toward body tag. Here I will add a heading first. So for this I will create here h1 tag and now I will write here home page. Here I write B in lowercase, so I will replace it with capital letter P. And now I will add a paragraph here. I just click here and press enter to get a new line and here I will create a paragraph lorem 15. I need a 15 words of paragraph, so I write here lorem 15 and press enter. I get a 15 words of paragraph. So here I create an image and for image I will go here on my Google Chrome and I will search here for welcome page. I want to add external image on my website, so for this I'm choosing this picture. This is looking good, so I will open it in new tab and now this image is open in new tab. I will just copy its address and now I will paste here. I will press Ctrl V keys from my keyboard and now I will set its height to 200 pixels. Let's see its output on our browser. So before that I will give it alternative text welcome page. And now let's see its output on our browser. So I press Alt LO from a keyboard. You can see the output. Now let's go back and write heading, paragraph and image for other files. So here I will select about.html. I will repeat same steps here. First of all, I generated a boilerplate here and I will change its title to about, and here in body tag I will add h1 tag for heading. Inside the h1 tag I write about us, that will represent the about us page. Below the heading I am writing a short paragraph of 15 words to represent ourselves. Next I am adding an image to make the page more attractive and visually appealing. So for adding image I open Google Chrome and I will search here for about us page. Now I will just click on images page here, so I will get different images. Let's scroll down to find the desired image. I will just change the keywords in the search bar. I'm going to write here a student using laptop. Here I find this image looking better, so I will go for this. I will open it in new tab and I will copy its address and now I will go back to VS Code and I will paste here and just change its height to 200 pixels. And here in alt attribute I will write about page. Finally I am adding an image related to the about page. Let's see its output on browser. It looks amazing. Next let's create contact.html page. Inside the contact.html file I generated a boilerplate and I will change its title to contact. Then I am adding a heading called contact us. And now below the heading I am writing a short paragraph that tells visitors how they can contact us. I can also add contact details such as email address, phone number and location. Now I will add an image. I will again open Google Chrome for image. So here I will write contact us page. I will just click on images page, and now this image looks better, so I will go for this. We'll open it in new tab and we'll just copy it address. Now let's go back to VS Code, and here in src attribute I will simply paste the address of image. Now I will write here its height to be 200 pixels, and here I will give it alternative text, that is contact us page. So let's see our page on browser. So here you can see it's look better. I will add navigation menu later. Now let's create services.html page. As usual, I will begin by adding boilerplate, changed its title to services and adding a heading called services, and below the heading I am writing a short paragraph to display the services offered. So I am using here dummy text. Now I am also adding an image related to our services. So for that I will again go on my Google Chrome and search here for services, and will write here page, and will simply press enter, and will simply click here on images page, and I will find the desired image. Let's scroll down to see, but I can't find, so I will replace here the keywords in the search bar. So here this image looks nice, so I will go with this. I will just open it in new tab and I will copy it address. You can also use image from your computer, but I want to use external image, so now just I will paste here its address, and now I will set its alternative text to be services. Now I will set its height to 200 pixels. Finally, I am also adding an image related to our services. So this is the output of our services page. Now I will create a navigation menu at the top of the pages. Now I am inside the index.html file. Inside the body tag I entered some lines. Here inside the body tag I am adding a comment. I will create a navigation menu using unordered list and links. I will share this project with you later on my GitHub. I will give its link in the description box of this video. You can also download this folder and can see the code on your laptop. For navigation menu, I will create another list first. And now for creating another list, I will just write here UL and then I will press enter. Now I will add list items here. First of all, I will write li, now press enter, and here I will add an anchor tag, and here in its href I will give the path of our index.html file. I will just write here index.html. When user will click on this link, home page will open in front of him. Here inside the anchor tag I will write home. It will display like this in our navigation menu. Later we will give it a style with CSS. For now I'm going to copy this line below for 3 times because here I have 4 files in our folder. For copy the same text below, we will press Shift Alt down arrow key from our keyboard. Now here I will simply rename all the files name. Here in second line I will write about.html, and inside the anchor tag I will replace it with about. I'm going to write here about, and in third list I will write here services. You should to write the same name spelling. Here I wrote capital S. I will remove it and will use lowercase because my file name is in lowercase. Here inside the anchor tag I will also write services, which will display on our screen. And let's move towards the last list item. Here I will replace its name with contact.html, and here inside the anchor tag I will write contact. I will replace it with contact, and now our navigation menu is ready. Let's see its output on our screen. I will just press Alt and O from my keyboard. Now you can see we put the navigation menu on our home page. Now look, when I click on about, it will open about.html page. I will go back on home page. Now I will click on services. You can see services.html page is open now. Now I will click on contact us page. Here each link will connect to a different HTML file. Have you noticed something? Users have to go back to the home page every time they want to visit another page. So to make it easy for users to move between all pages, we will add a navigation menu on each page. I copied the navigation menu and I will paste here in about.html file. Let's see its output on browser. You can see we have successfully added navigation menu on About Us page. Now we can easily move between these pages, but for services I will also add navigation menu here. I will go back in my VS Code and now I will select services.html file, and here inside the body tag I will paste navigation links. Let's see its output on the screen. Now you can see we successfully add navigation menu to the services page. Now I will click on contact us page. Here we will also add navigation menu. So I will open contact.html file and same step I will repeat here. I will paste here navigation links. Now successfully we add the navigation menu on every page so the user can easily go from one page to another. Now see, when I click on home, it will open index.html. When I click on about, it open about.html, and when I click on services, it opens services.html file. This is how websites connect different pages together. Now we are going to style our website using CSS. So far I have only taught you HTML and we have not learned CSS yet. So for now I will just copy my code and let's use AI to generate the styling and give our website a clean and professional look. This project is designed for complete beginners. I don't want to spend extra time teaching CSS before you understand how multi-page websites work. If you have successfully built this project up to this point, that is already a great achievement. The main goal of this project is to learn how multiple HTML pages are connected using navigation links. Styling is not the focus of this lesson. I just copied the CSS which ChatGPT has generated. Now I will create here a style.css file. I will simply write here style.css and then I will press enter, and then I will paste here the code which ChatGPT has generated. I want our website to look a little more like a real website, so that's why I asked ChatGPT to generate the CSS for us. You may hear people recommending different AI tools such as Claude, Codex or others. Those tools are useful too, but I want to teach beginners using the easiest possible steps. Many students are still learning how to use ChatGPT effectively, so this is a good opportunity to see how AI can help us improve the appearance of our projects. Now I just link the style.css file here in my index.html file to adding that style in this file. Let's see its output on browser. I will press Alt+L+O from my keyboard. You can see the output. It's looking so beautiful. It's giving us a real website feel. Don't worry about understanding every line of CSS right now. We will learn CSS properly in upcoming lessons. For now, I just linked style.css file with my home page. Let's link that style file with our other pages. I will just go back to my VS Code and I will copy this link and will paste in other files. I will paste this link in my about.html file first. Here below the title I will paste that link, and now I will go in contact.html file. Here I will also paste that link, and now last one, services.html. Here I also paste that link. Now successfully I added CSS to all files. Let's see its output. Now user can easily move between the pages of website. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and comment. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.